Yeah, Andrea. Chief Meteorologist Ashley Gann joining us. Since I have two left feet, I kind of like the idea of those two shoes.
Absolutely, and I will say this, with 4 kids, it would just make it easier. Just go grab a pair of shoes. All right, let's talk about weather right now. Not the easiest to forecast. We kind of are in this unsettled weather pattern for the next few days. We'll have some good days, we'll have some gray days, we'll have some rain, and we'll have some sun. So a little mixed bag and even some cooler air. Right now, a gray sky in Anniston. Temperatures are currently holding in the 50s, and rainfall over the last 24 hours has really been centered along this I-20 corridor. Heavier rainfall amounts, places like Birmingham about 1/4 of an inch, but look at Talladega, just under 1/2 of an inch. Anniston reporting 1/2 of an inch over the last 24 hours. Up north in Coleman, about 1/3 of an inch there. So I wouldn't call this significant. Significance usually 1 inch or more, but we will add to these totals as we'll be tracking a cold front overnight tonight. As this warm front lifts to the north and to the east, we will notice rain showers tapering for this early evening. We'll get a break in the action until tonight when those storms come rolling in from the midsection of the nation. Here's what it's going to look like on your Futurecast. By 7 o'clock tonight, I think we'll just have a few lingering showers anywhere from Lineville to Wedowee. But notice West Alabama completely dry, and you'll stay dry until around midnight. Could see just a couple of sparse showers right between 10 and 11 o'clock tonight. But by midnight, heavier rainfall right along that 278 corridor from Double Springs over towards Hamilton down to Guin. By 2 a.m., we're talking Columbus, Mississippi to Fayette. By 3 o'clock, heavy rain develops along that I-20 corridor from Tuscaloosa, Vance, Coaling, Alabaster, even just south of Birmingham. This will continue to move east through early morning Friday. So the heaviest rainfall will be Friday morning, 6 to 8 o'clock. It's going to be a messy morning commute for many tomorrow, especially along and south of I-20. But that rain should clear out pretty quickly. But adding to the totals that we already have today, additionally, we'll add another inch, maybe 1.5 inches in some spots. That heavy Friday morning rain could bring upwards of 1.5 inches to Tuscaloosa and Alabaster, maybe just under 1/2 of an inch in Birmingham. But let's walk through the day, because even though it's going to be a messy start to your Friday, it's going to be a fantastic finish. Rain moves out about mid-morning, and then we're looking at sunshine for the afternoon. So this time tomorrow, it'll be sunny and bright, and temperatures will actually rebound into the mid to upper 60s. Generally, we're talking a deep dive in those temperatures. Not tomorrow. It's not going to be a cold front that brings us frigid air just yet. 63 in Gadsden tomorrow, 64 in Asheville. But as we move into the weekend, sunshine for your Saturday. A beautiful start to the weekend, 65 for the afternoon, but it's going to be a cold start to the day. On Sunday, more rain and storms. And don't forget, we spring forward an hour this weekend as well. From Saturday night into Sunday morning, heavier rainfall right around sunrise Sunday morning. That heavy rainfall will continue in waves throughout the day. Might get a little lunchtime break, but look at this. The heavy stuff Sunday night into early Monday morning. That will slide south as we start next week. Now, that's going to be a more impressive cold front, as it's going to bring us some frosty air next week. Sunrise on Saturday, 6:03. Sunrise Sunday, 7:02. And then sunset on Sunday, 6:53. We're gaining those hours of daylight back. Next week, sunshine's back, though, but grab the coats. And that's a look at your Storm Team 7-day forecast.
Thank you.